The OnePlus 10 Pro vs Google Pixel 6 Pro pits the biggest Android contenders against each other. Let's keep our eyes open till the end. Hi guys. Welcome to Gadgetany, where we discuss and give our honest opinions on gadgets. Today we will take a glance at the two Android flagship devices, the OnePlus 10 Pro and Google Pixel 6 Pro. Both these contenders boast impressive features and powerful hardware. Can OnePlus one-up its major rival? Let's watch the battle of the pros. Both these Android phones come in at the same price, $899, and they have plenty of features to offer. But this is where the similarities end. The OnePlus 10 Pro comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, while the Pixel 6 Pro comes with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, along with 256GB and 512GB options. Talking about the display, both the models sport 6.7-inch displays. However, the OnePlus 10 Pro uses AMOLED, and the Pixel model goes with OLED. The OnePlus 10 Pro display is better to look at as the colors are richer in comparison to the Pixel 6 Pro, but the latter is noticeably brighter. So there is no clear winner here. Now we are getting to the main event: cameras. The OnePlus 10 Pro constitutes a 48MP main sensor paired with 50MP ultrawide and 8MP telephoto with 3.3x optical zoom. The front-facing camera snaps at 32MP. Meanwhile, the Pixel 6 Pro features a 50MP main sensor, 12MP ultrawide, and 48MP telephoto with 4x optical zoom. Although they were reasonably close, the Pixel 6 Pro came out as the winner in this round for its stronger night mode performance, more natural colors, and better exposure control. In terms of performance, the OnePlus 10 Pro is the winner of the two. The OnePlus 10 Pro employs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, while the Pixel 6 Pro operates Google's first-generation Tensor chip. So if you are into gaming, it is clear that the OnePlus 10 Pro is the ideal choice. Moving on to the battery life, the OnePlus 10 Pro wins against Google Pixel Pro by a long shot. Both these Pro phones utilize a 5000 mAh battery. However, the OnePlus 10 Pro's battery performance shows a noticeable improvement. As for the Pixel 6 Pro, the battery life is quite disappointing. However, when it comes to charging, the OnePlus 10 Pro wins again. At 65 watts, the phone's battery recharges from 0 to 93% in just 30 minutes, supporting 50 watts wireless charging. Meanwhile, the Pixel 6 Pro maxes out at 23 watts wired and 12 watts wireless with standard Qi chargers. Despite shipping with Android 12, the Pixel 6 Pro already sports a newer software version available. The OnePlus 10 Pro ships with Oxygen OS 12.1, which includes a lot of tweaks. If you are not a fan of Color OS, we suggest avoiding OnePlus devices. Android 12 on the Pixel 6 Pro consists of several exclusive features, including on-device live translation, magic eraser, assistant voice typing, and much more. The OnePlus 10 Pro might have more features, but the Pixel 6 Pro will receive longer support and faster updates. While it looks like OnePlus Pro 10 Pro has the potential to give the Pixel 6 Pro a run for its money, the winner of this battle is still undecided. Keep your eyes on our channel to stay updated on the latest gadgets. We will see you soon.